Okay. No. I guess let's start making the part that will receive the events. Because the thing is... yeah, I can send both to the same URL. This will be A. Endpoint for monitoring. Over the endpoint. That's good enough. Also, I think it's 800. CMD speedrun overlay, CMD GFM overlay. Yep, 8080. It's not 8A blah, whatever. That's the one. And start by building this again, so it downloads everything. That's on the Prime Star. I of course don't remember how it's spelled, if there's a dash or what. There is underscore. Drums. That's the endpoint. There we go. And it returns a closer. Which sucks, but whatever. That's the... oh right, I can put this on the second. Yeah, it is closer. Okay. And then how will these things work? There is a struct overlay. There we go, return new, whatever. I know that this will need a net HTTP client. Client here. Mhm. Gosh. The HTTP client used to save the overlay on the remote endpoint. I don't think there is a close. Yeah, no. In client. So there is this, which may or may not exist. And there is a channel with the actions. Mm-hmm. So I know that I need a register or set event. Because what I want to do, I want to be able to light up a display with the drums of which pad was hit and another display of the keyboard with which key was pressed or is currently being pressed. For both, I will need a map to know what is displayed where. Not sure. I mean, I do need that for the drums, but for the keys I'm not that sure yet. Probably. We will see. And since there is the thing that I can change the overlay from one mode to another mode, I want that change to reflect here. So there is a press event. Let's say it's a struct for now. But there is also a... Let's call this a register event. So if we go into key events, what is a mid event? This is source, yada yada yada. Channel and key. Okay. And the velocity, which could be important, but eh. Okay, the press event is a simple mid event. A simple channel key, I guess. Point 8. And then here it will resolve into something. And the register event is a press event. I'm not even sure, I don't think this will be synced. in the JSON. So yeah. The event itself and the key being pressed down and the keyboard key. I hate this name. Which will be a string, a name, because I do have the key events key map that map from a string to an integer. I would need the opposite of that. The mid event channel, the mid event key. The mid event, the keyboard key associated. Keys associated with this event. I think it will be an array of strings, because if we look here, yep. I mean, it's an array of strings because I will comma separate those if I don't comma separate those strings, but if I do, it's a simple string. Are to be pressed by a single event. Those should be comma separated. There we go, then we have those two types of events. That's good enough. Used to receive events. And channel of any, because it can be either of those and each one will be handled differently. There will also be another type of event, but that's for later. Const on buffer. Queue size, yeah, instead of con, queue. That may be cute. Let's say 10 just because. New. Make chain any with queue size. And if it's not the empty string, then we will create a HTTP client. Okay, so o.client is a new HTTP client. With a properly set transport. Okay, no, that's... Okay, that's not what I want, but simple enough. And I'll need a few timers as well to put there. Well, a few timers or a single timer, well, we will see. Maybe no timer at all. Okay, there we go. We start a new overlay connector, I don't know. Which may change the current state of the pressed keys received events to an endpoint. I actually don't need I/O here. Yep. Press event. Send register event. Channel key went 8. And this has also a keyboard string. Queues a register event which associates the tuple channel key with keyboard, which may be various keys, keyboard keys, separated by commas. Choose a press event which registers that the given mid event was received. Actually, yeah, this is different. There is a keyboard event which has a list of keys, maybe? I don't know, I will see about this. And then there is a mid event. Yeah, and this is keys and a boolean with the state. Yeah, it has to be an array of keys. The keys that were pressed by this event a press event a keyboard at the given keyboard key pressed released. Okay, there we go. Then this will be as simple as O receives a register. Well, there we go. Okay, and that's how those events will work. Mm-hmm. Right, I don't necessarily want to send one event on each press. I want to kill them for a bit, and that's why I may need a timer. Where is the ticker? Channel was sent while the period of the time to specify the duration. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think I want a timer and not a ticker. Mm-hmm. Okay, so gosh darn it. That's timer. To which events are sent. And it's a pointer, yeah. Used to buffer a few events together. Mm-hmm. Maybe I do want a ticker. Yeah. Time dot millisecond. Either that or like 50. I will see about this. How often updates are sent to the remote server. New ticker with that, yeah. Then okay. Select. Case. Okay, then it sends the event here. Which event dot type. Log printf. Right, I was thinking about calling this logger. to log events to the remote endpoint, with which events are sent, to receive events, blah. A new event logger, which I still need to create, but anyway. Event logger. Did I miss this? Yeah. There we go, much better. Okay. Unknown event type. Then there is all of those. Type event logger, interface. There we go. Close the event logger. There we go. So this is the basic of this thing. Actually, I've changed that. Let me just rename this. Mm-hmm. Almost. I just missed an endpoint here. And yeah, that's it. Oops. Nine, 8, 1. Oh, yep. Q. All right. And that's kiss. And that's key. Okay, there we go. Line 8, 6. Okay. That's more like it. Now I need to store all that in like 2 or 3 maps, probably. So I have the mid, which maps a mid event to a string. And then I can change that depending on what happens, if a pad, for example, changes and is to activate a different key. I have also mid press. two booleans. Yeah, those don't need, but I'll make those different just because. And then key presses. Which individually maps each thing. I'm surprised that this wasn't picked by the MIG, the motorcycle. Which mid-event? Association between mid-events and the pressed keys and the keys that it presses. Which mid-events are currently pressed, and this will be fun. Because I will need some way to deactivate them after a while. Which keyboard keys are currently pressed. There we go, it's something like this. Then when I receive one of those, it goes in the appropriate map. There we go. Or yeah. There. Then the mid event. And here I need to somehow kill these to turn false in the future. Actually, because if I do it like this, then the overlay can quite easily make it go off, it stop highlighting. And this is a timestamp. I don't think there is anything for that. There is time, but yeah. And the register event. Wait, yeah, this is wrong. There we go, this should be it. I don't know how this will get encoded, now that I think about it. Well, let's find out. A new event, registers the event in the appropriate map. Then I just need to send it here, doing a post, client post probably. Content type body. Oops. Not send. Yeah, let's make this. There, it shouldn't ever block, but chain string, the channel used to queue the prepared message to be sent to the remote endpoint. Sends the message to the remote endpoint. Keys. Oh. And keys. There we go. I hope this will work, otherwise I will need to make this into a JSON encoder, but I don't think that will be needed. This is a message. Let's be lazy. Right, and I forgot to initialize the maps. There we go. Then JSON encoding. This is event logger. Message plus v. L.client.post, L.endpoint, content type, application, JSON, and then I need to create a buff, I guess. Well, I could just, instead of using string here, so as soon as that is received, buff.reset. Yeah, dot write message. Then you just message. And that should be enough. reset. That's what I wanted. There is this function. It shouldn't be needed, but it's there. Just send a message. There. And then I need to check the response. I'm pretty sure it returns okay. Content type. Right. Wait, but the -d should make this a post. That's wrong. Okay, this mess. Oh. Yeah, no, not the dashboard. Config. Page. Yeah. Oh, rain star. There we go. Yeah, it returns okay. Great. It could also return no content. So here, that's code. Request failed with code. There we go. I should probably... Close the response. Yep. Type right, copy to. And then Golongi, Devinu writer. Because I know that there is an empty IO to discard. Discard from rasp and rasp.close. There we go. Okay, 153. Brain F is a new one. Right, because I want buff here. There we go. Perfect. Of course, I still need to test this, but looks good enough. Because when it's sending, it puts it in the buffer, do a post, and discard the response and check the response and logs if anything failed. Now handle event. If it's a keyboard event, it marks which keys were the state of the received keys. In mid event, it sets the current time for the mid event, which sounds correct because then the front end can use that to decide which things will be highlighted or not based on the time. And register event just changes the mapping of a mid event to which key it's currently being activated by it. Then here it just handles a bunch of events and eventually when the timer expires does this, except the one thing that is missing is whether there were any updates to the maps. Because if there's no client or if there's no update, do nothing. And after handling an event, change this to true. There we go. Then as soon as the timer ticks and there is an event, Well, anyway, as soon as the timer ticks and there is an event, it will get sent after 50 milliseconds. Let me just, for heck's sake, send message. Yeah, no. Let's do this, this, and this. Then we move those things to this function. Well, to be fair, queue message. Prepares a message and queue it to be sent to the remote server. There. Now, of course, I'm not sure if this will work as is, but I can find out about that later when I actually implement this, or test it, or who knows. Runs the main event logger. Is the event logger's main loop. Waiting for events and handling events. Okay. Event logger. Yeah, let's not. Keyboard event, mid event, register event. Event logger, it's quite bloated, but that's what needs to go here. A message only has this. Honestly, I could even move that down a bit. But anyway. Then it creates all the maps. Let me just double check this. It creates the client as needed, the endpoint if there is one, and the sender if needed. And then it starts the go routine. It also creates the queue, the timer, which quite honestly... There we go. The timer only if needed, and the maps always. Did update starts as false because go? I can do a ticker dot stop, right? Stop. Let's stop, and then if there is a client, then you clean those things up as well. Raster event just forward the things, send mid as well, send keyboard. Okay, and run. Just call whichever function is needed. Looking good. Oh! Nossa, não! Calma! Que isso? Não, eu tenho feito esse midi-go-key bem de levinho. Event logger. Isso. Na real, eu devo estar parando por hoje, infelizmente. Porque agora falta só colocar em todos os pontos e eu tenho que testar ainda. Então, meio. Não sei. Vou adicionar esse carinha aqui. Go FMT. Aqui. Event logger. Well, add the event logger subsystem. Let's do at least one. The thing is, if I start doing this, I know I won't stop until I add it everywhere. So let's... Its logger is here. Okay. Key actions. Yes. Key actions queue. A key code. A list of key codes. And set its release. Yeah, let's start by key event. Doing the inverse of this map. Each key value to its name. And now we hope. Mm-hmm. Okay, that should work. Easy. And I didn't even forget to add a comma at the end of everything. And there we go. Uh-huh. Wait, key int to name. There we go. Of course. But yeah. So I have those things as well now, which means that I can on press and on release do fun stuff with that. And logger. The logger used to the event logger. That's it. EL. Then here, key for key code in key.keycodes in range. This is a send keyboard event. Oh. Okay. Keys and true. I could make a function for this. Because yeah. logs the key actions state to the remote logger. State boolean state. And then here I just do this with false. And then here if KC is none, you skip it. Otherwise, Casey. I mean, there we go. Now this will log whenever a keyboard key is pressed and whenever the key is released as well. As long as I pass this event logger. Okay. For the event logger, and here as well. Gosh, this line is and with this, this, as long as I event logger and this builds. Okay, but I can just do this. New. And now midi-cat Linux. Okay, why didn't you work? Oh. There we go. Mm-hmm. 156 on event logger. Oh, this can't be. Ugh. Makes sense that I can't have the timer that I always expect should not be new, but it can't be new. And now everything works. Rest. Okay. Oh, I can test this. I think. Hopefully. Yeah, technically I could test this. Let's... Nope. Nope. There we go. There we go. That's the Docker I want. Okay. Log key presses, because that's what's the only thing that is currently being logged. Or build -o midi-go-key. It was CAssert certificates. I'm not entirely sure. The cache search, CAssert. CAssert. So I believe it is CAssert, certificates, and GCC. CAssert, that's why. Yep. No. Well, let me get my PC. Mhm. Mhm. $165, 8,000. Midi-go keys 18.04. Midi-go key singular. And then ykm config.text. Oh right, and I forgot about getting mid-cat, which is in yeah, mid-cat 06 Linux AMT64. There we go. The endpoint will be this, but with this set to my desktop's IP, so like this, and config will be the ykm and list, and then I'll be right back. That's working. And that's why you don't test your application, because then you have to fix it. But yeah, this does actually merits a test itself. 1 second, actually. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, so turns out that, oops, as I was expecting, I can close all those. As I was expecting, event logger is event logger test.go. So this isn't encodable. I don't think I'm using assert here. Nope, I'm not using testify assert. Oh well. Func test encode mid event map. To time and to boolean. That's the least of my concerns, but there we go. And time. Code in JSON. I won't need buffer here, just that is more than enough. Mid event has a channel and a key. Whatever. 1 and key is 2. That's less ugly. And then JSON.Marshall m auto f fail to encode the map. That's your error. Have fun. And of course, because I just did a test there, I know that this shouldn't work. Oh. And there we go. It's not supported. How do I make that type get supported? I'm pretty sure I just implement JSON encoder. Or marshaller. Into valid JSON. So there we go. Let's try this. So those are two uint8. I can encode that to hexadecimal. Let's be lazy about this. Data is byte me.channel, me.key, hex dot encode to string data encoded. That's plus encoded and new. And now hopefully, let me run only the event logger test. Too many returned values in 54. But oh, I see. Okay. There we go. Yes, you can, compiler. You can do anything. JSON encode key. Marshall key. Marshall map key. No. Okay, wait. Because sometimes Go is cute like that and screws you over pointers. Nope. Okay, so this doesn't work. I will need to convert this manually. That's silly. Maps key type must be a string implement encoding text marshaller actually. There we go. And it's the same thing, just a different function. Marshall text does the same thing. There we go. Now we can encode things. So mid event may be used as a key to a map. There is on Marshall. Make map of string to string. I'm never sure about the order here. It should be dest first. Yeah. Actually, not yeah, because it's not dest first. Fail to decode the message. Else if out. That's 0102. From MEV. Failed to decode the message, invalid message decoded. One got. This. Want got. Want this got this. There. Perfect. Now I just need to do that for every other thing as well. This is bool. This is bool. And 1, 2, 2, true. EV1 and EV2. Mm-hmm. V. Okay, and then I just need to do this part-time as well, mainly to check how the time is formatted and if there is anything I want to change, or I don't know. It's better to have a constant time here. A long time. From string parse. Layout value. No, where is UTC? There. Today is 10:23, 11:09, 21:12:20. No nanoseconds, great. -03. Total F. Fail to parse the time. There. Then it should decode back to a time. And since this sucks, time dot to string and that to string. Of course not. Go complaint. Date. Fifty 54. To string undefined. Of course not, it's just a string. For fuck's sake, you asked for a time zone. I gave you a time zone. Okay. It works. I just want to see the .log f. printf, I believe. JSON is this. Log f. Okay, it's formatted nicely. Alright, so now that there are tests here, and before this, go FNT. Oh, nice. Fix JSON encoding. Git rebase -I head or yeah, that is secret of mana. Fix up. There we go. Now we build again. We start the server again. And of course I was dumb and I closed this. Speedrun overlay, CMT, GFM. There we go. Okay, be right back. Coisas aconteceram. Okay, we can check that something worked by getting... Do I have JK? Oh, I did install it here. This. So it did press at some point, but of course it will get released because, yeah, but it did detect that all those keys were pressed and then released. If... Watch. Does this take like this? Oh, it does. Okay. Okay, I'll be right back, and then it should be possible to see. Actually, 0.05. It should be possible to see all those things getting activated. So now if I hope this is enough, and then I'll just delete this clip. Yep, and it worked because it was changing from true to false and so on and so forth. So nice. And I need to delete this stupid clip afterwards. Okay. I just need them to adjust here. Stats no content is 204 or created or what?